Hello everybody, how are you? I hope all of you are doing really good. So if you are a CA intermediate in November 2023 aspirant, then this video is very special for you. Please watch the video till the end and share it with all your friends. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. That's what what you have to do. Okay, so this video is on the request of many students for the revision for November 2023 attempt. So this is the announcement that I wanted to share with all of you. A good news that I wanted to share with all of you. Welcome to KSJ Teaching. I'm your friend, I'm your mentor, CS Saurav Jindal, and I will be with this in this journey of November 2023 attempt with you. And I want to make this attempt really special for all of you. So the announcement is that we are going to start with the financial management revision first, right? From 24th of September 2023. These will be recorded sessions that you will be getting on this channel. So please, before moving ahead, subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss out on anything important. We are going to discuss each and every concept of every chapter, and the most important thing in this revision will be the focus on the critical areas, focus on the small areas where you people can commit mistake and how you can avoid those mistakes. I will be taking up all those questions, all those things in that, right? So if you, sir, what about the queries? If we get any queries, you can post it in the comment section, or you can always ask it in the Telegram group, right? Related to any content which we'll be posting there. Sir, what about the questions? We'll be taking up only the RTP of the current attempt in this particular series. Rest of the questions, all of you must have done it, right? Or if you want to do it, the ICI module, the ICI SM series is available from our website as well as from our mobile app, right? It is available in English. And this revision series is going to be in English starting from 24th of September. Please note the date, right? The time, anytime the lecture will be uploaded. So get ready from 24th of September onwards. We will be doing the revision. The only thing is I need support from all of you that in sharing this video, share with all your friends that this is going to be a different kind of a revision, because in this we are not going to just do the revision of the concepts like just we have already done it, just revise it, that's it. No, we are going to do in depth into each and every concept within a short span of time. Obviously, sir, the time is the constraint. We'll do it within a limited time period, but yes, we will focus on each and every concept. That is what is going to be the strategy. And the most important thing is, if I see that many students are supporting us, right? If your support is fabulous, we'll definitely go for the economics and costing revision also. That is my promise. I'll go for it. Right now, it's up to you people. It's up to you guys that if you keep supporting us for this revision session of the financial management, we will definitely come up with something special for economics and costing also, right? So I'm really excited to be a part of your journey for November 2023 preparations, and most likely I'll be coming up with the test series also, right, which will be a part of this series. But for that, you have to watch each and every lecture of the revision series. There I will announce, anytime I will announce the test series in between of those sessions, right? Because that is an important part of your preparation, sir. The test series with the revision is definitely an important part of your revision process, and it is going to be something special for all the November 2023 students. So get ready, guys. The time is short, but we are up for the challenge. All the best. See you guys on 24th of September 2023. Share with all your friends. This is really important. The revision is going to be the next level revision, and you will be fully prepared for these subjects for November 2023 attempt. That's my promise to all of you. Good luck, guys. See you on 24th of September. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, keep studying, keep sharing. Thank you so much.